Okay, this video is designed to help Goodtimer families pair a Goodtimer device to the Goodtimer mobile app. You'll see from the screen that the Goodtimer mobile app is up. This is a step in the process after you've done the initial setup screen. So there's a series of green setup screens which ask you questions about your child's age, some of the behavior challenges that your child is experiencing, if there are any diagnosed behavior disorders, what their interests are as those relate to the token incentives for the Goodtimer allowance. And then once you complete that process, at the very end, it'll ask you to pair your device. You can also pair a device from the My Family tab, the lower right-hand corner tab of the Goodtimer app, and you'll see the profiles of each child that you've set up. Mine here is Everett, born in June of 2017, and you'll see that it's no device connected. So if I click on the little icon above no device connected, it takes me to edit the profile, and then it says connect Everett's profile to a Goodtimer device to start earning good time. So I tap on that, and then it's going to say, let's set up the Goodtimer device. I hit next at the bottom. And then it says tap the reset pair button on the bottom of your device to set up pairing mode. So on the bottom of each device, I want to make sure the volume's turned up. These are the volume buttons. There is a reset pair button right here. And actually, I just paused Goodtime by flipping it over. So the charging adapter is the perfect size to press this button here. And when I press it, it says, I'm ready to connect. And you'll see that it starts glowing like it's ready to make a connection. Then you tap the next button on the app, and now the app is looking for the device, and it gives you a prompt that says Goodtimer wants to join your Wi-Fi network, Goodtimer, and you hit join. And then what it's going to do, it's going to pair the app to the Wi-Fi connection on the device, and then once it's connected, it's going to look for your home's Wi-Fi network. You will need a Wi-Fi network in your home. You're going to hit the next button, and it's going to look for the Wi-Fi networks in your home. In my home, we have multiple Wi-Fi networks, and I'm going to choose the top one, which is the one we use the most. And then you type your, you will need your Wi-Fi password. So I'm entering that now. Make sure you got it correct. And then hit the next button. Let's go. So you should get your Goodtimer was successfully connected. You can start earning good time with your family, and then you'll hit save device at the bottom. And now you have a connection. If there's a problem during the process of connecting the phone to the device, the first step in the process, then you'll want to start over. And if there's a problem connecting the device to the home's Wi-Fi, like for some reason you mistyped the password, you'll want to go back to the screen and start the process over again. Typically it works the first time, but it might take a couple of times. If you have any additional questions, you can reach out to us through our website, gogoodtimer.com, or you can email us at hello@gogoodtimer.com.